Have you ever found yourself drowning in notes, yet nothing seems to stick? Or maybe you've admired someone's colorful, organized notebook and thought, why can't my notes be like that? The key to effective note-taking isn't aesthetics. It's about aligning your methods with how you learn best. Today, we're uncovering the secrets of tailored note-taking strategies that can transform your learning experience. Welcome to my channel. I'm Anshul Kummar, your guide to maximizing efficiency and minimizing stress in this fast-paced world. I dive deep into the realm of technology, uncovering the latest productivity apps, sharing invaluable tips and tricks, and exploring ways to streamline your life for peak performance. Whether you're a busy professional juggling multiple tasks or a student striving for academic excellence, this channel is your one-stop destination for all things productivity. Today, we're exploring how to match your note-taking strategies with your learning style, backed by research and expert insights. So grab a pen and paper, and let's dive in. The concept of learning styles has been explored in educational psychology for decades. According to a study by Fleming and Mills, 1992, learners can be categorized into four main styles: visual, auditory, reading, writing, and kinesthetic. Identifying your style can dramatically enhance how you process information. For visual learners, information sticks when it's seen. If you're a visual learner, you understand and remember information better when presented in diagrams, charts, or videos. Traditional note-taking might not cut it. Instead, try incorporating mind maps or concept maps into your notes. Tools like MindMeister or LucidChart can help you create visual representations of your notes that will make studying a breeze. Dr. Richard Mayer, a professor of psychology, emphasizes the importance of visual aids in learning, stating that people can recall information much better when presented visually. If this sounds like you, try integrating mind maps or concept maps into your study routine. Digital tools like MindMeister offer a platform for creating vibrant, visual notes that cater to your learning needs. Consider Marie, a biology student who struggled with memorizing concepts until she started using concept maps to visualize their connections. This method transformed her study habits and grades. Auditory learners thrive on listening. You might find traditional note-taking challenging because you prefer listening. So, what's the solution? Record your classes, with permission, and make time to listen back. During playback, pause and summarize what you've heard in your notes. This active engagement with the material will help solidify your understanding. Educational researcher Dr. Carol Flexer highlights the significance of auditory learning, especially in language acquisition. If you learn best through hearing, consider recording lectures, with permission, and summarizing the content in your own words afterward. This technique ensures you're actively engaging with the material. A history major, John found that discussing recorded lectures with his study group helped him retain and understand complex historical events much better. If you're a reading-writing learner, you love words. Reading texts and writing out notes is your jam. Focus on structuring your notes with headers, bullet points, and summaries to maximize your note-taking. Tools like Google Docs or Evernote can be great platforms to organize your notes in a readable format that's easy to review. A study by the University of Michigan showed that students who rewrote their notes could understand and remember the material more effectively. Embrace structured notes with headers, bullet points, and summaries. Platforms like Evernote can help organize your thoughts clearly, linearly. Emma, an English literature student, maximizes her learning by summarizing chapters and jotting down critical analyses, significantly improving her essay writing skills. Kinesthetic learners learn best by doing. Sitting still and taking notes might not be the most effective for you. Instead, try to incorporate activities into your note-taking. This could mean creating physical flashcards, using apps like Quizlet for a more interactive experience, or even teaching the material to someone else. Moving and engaging physically with the material can help reinforce your learning. According to research by Dr. Thomas Armstrong, engaging in physical activity while learning can enhance memory and understanding. Try using physical flashcards or teaching the material to someone else. Engaging with the material in a hands-on way brings concepts to life. Alex, a physics student, uses Lego to build models of molecular structures, making abstract concepts tangible and more accessible to grasp. Experts agree that flexibility in learning strategies is key. In her book, A Mind for Numbers, Dr. Barbara Oakley emphasizes that alternating between different learning modes prevents burnout and enhances comprehension. Don't be afraid to experiment with various techniques and find what combination suits you best. That's all for today's deep dive into tailoring your note-taking to your learning style. These insights empower you to transform your note-taking and learning strategies. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more educational content. Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Remember, effective learning isn't about working harder, but working smarter. See you in the next video.